I'm back home, but I'm still in my car because I just received a package from Garage. This is my first time ever working with them, and they sent a pretty big package, so I'm super excited to open this. I'm here with my dog because he just really wanted to be here. I don't know if you guys can see this. So he's gonna be unboxing this with us, right? Okay. Is this top. I think it's called the seamless top, and they have it in different colors. I got the extra small in white, in black, and I'm pretty sure I got it in other colors as well. Next, I got a knit top. It's like a knit cardigan, and I really like the color. It is in small. Oh my god, what are you doing, Haku? It looks very comfortable and warm, so I'm very excited for the winter time because it honestly just got colder today. That's a good thing, right, Haku? I got these bell bottom extremely low rise pants, and I'm honestly always iffy about pants because of sizing, but this is double zeros, which is 23 waist, and it definitely looks like it will fit me. I'm very excited for that because I don't have many black bottoms. I have a lot of fall jacket, but I just got another one, and it's this cropped leather. Actually, I don't really own that many things in brown, so I'm happy I got this. I'm very happy. I also got the seamless top in beige and in gray. I got it in 4 different colors. I'm gonna hope that the model looks good on me. From all the tops I saw on their website, I just felt like that would resonate with my style most and it would fit me best. And I just really like the selection of colors, so I just went and ordered 4 of the same tops, different colors. Then they sent me an extra small little hoodie. That's very cute. I already have a few of these, but then they also sent me a zip hoodie, but in beige and small. It's this khaki army green cargo, and I don't know, like I think I don't really own this type of green and in this kind of material, so I'm looking forward to that. Last but not least, another pair of cargo in size 0 as well, but in the color beige. I don't know if it's the same model, but it looks pretty similar. Yeah, it is the same model. I'm very excited for this one. Alright, that's it for what I got from Garage, which is a lot. I'm kind of scared. I don't know how I'm gonna pair all of these together. Hello, so in between the footages that I filmed, I did dye my hair, so that's why I am like ginger now, and I'm still getting used to it. Let me know in the comments down below, should I keep this color? There are a lot of basics that I would get from Garage, especially if I'm a student. Getting basics from there would be a very good idea. They have, like, as you guys saw. Also, one thing I didn't know is that, like, I do know that Garage ships within Canada, Canadian brand, but they also ship to the States, which, if you guys are from the States, most of you guys are from the States, so if you're interested, they do ship to the States. And also, by the time I'm posting this video, I'm pretty sure they're having like a very big Black Friday sale, so make sure you take advantage of that. And that's pretty much it. I don't know what I plan for you guys after this, but I'll see you guys soon. So initially I wasn't going to do a voiceover, but then I thought to myself that this would be the perfect opportunity to share with you guys my thought. I think that I've gone too far in my studies to just stop, so I will simply graduate and get my bachelor, even though deep down I already knew maybe like 8 years ago what I've wanted to do for the rest of my life. I feel like I've let a lot of opportunities slide in the past years because I wanted to put studying beforehand, and I just don't want to let that happen again. So I am greedy and I will try to juggle both my studies and content creation. There is a lot to sacrifice along the way to keep both, but I definitely think it's worth it. I learned a lot from this job. I learned that I am good at it, but you can be good at practically anything. If you put the effort, you will be good at it. But I also learned that every second that I spent sitting at the office, my mind was just lingering around what am I going to create next when my shift will end. This internship definitely taught me about myself. I am proud that I'll be graduating soon and be able to call myself an engineer and have a bachelor, but I don't think that being proud and making other people proud of me is enough to justify all the years that I spent studying away from achieving all the goals that I wanted to achieve in a lifetime.